From days long ago, there's a living legend, an art untouched by time. Countless adventurers have experienced it. Are you willing to risk the dangerous path to Apuangod?
Charot! What's up mga taragis? Come with us on a journey to experience Buscalan Tattoo Village and meet the legendary Apuangod.
Yun guys, napunta na kami kay Wang Lord.
Grabe naman kasi talaga yung daan dito. Kasama pala namin ng tagapagmana ni Apuangod. Ayan o, tignan nyo naman yung bangin na yan o. Maraming ganyan kami nadaanan. Yung tipong mapa-final destination kami. Finally, we have arrived at the jump-off point where you have to register before going to Buscalan Village for a fee of 100 pesos per person. O diba, outfit check, magte-trekking pero nakadress. Good job! There's a 45 to 1 hour trek up to Buscalan Village, but with the new hanging bridge, it's significantly reduced to around 10 minutes. To our luck, di namin nabutan yung hanging bridge. Etong bridge pa lang ang naabutan namin. Actually, we didn't have any idea about the trekking situation. Basta nagkayayaan, wala nang isip-isip, gora na ang mga taragis. Maraming obstacles at challenges, pero buti na lang, kahit paunti-unti, nakaka-progress kami. Sobrang matatakotin pa naman ako. At dumagdag pa tong visit na to. Etong si Kuya Ken na nakakabilib. Buwat-buwat pa niya ng baby. Isa pa tong nakakabilib si Kuya Will. Nakakasabay sa amin kahit buntis. Ito naman si Kuya Ems parang di napagod. Habang tumatagal, pahirap ng pahirap ang daan. At since nag-uulan din, basa at maputik. Kaya ayun, nakakadagdag pahirap. Napakastig ng design ng sapatos ni Kurt. Si Kuya John parang napapaisip na. Si Ate Celine ang pinakamabait kasi pinapauna niya kami. Imagine dun kami galing. Nampas na ata kami sa isang oras. Napakaswerte na nung mga umabot sa hanging bridge.
Ata na si Celine! Andito na!
Pro tip, huwag kalimutan magdala ng tubig at just enjoy the process. At sa wakas, narating na rin namin ang Buscalan Village. Tune in for part 2. See ya!